Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll take a quick overview of Hadoop applications, Hadoop-based applications. There's a rich suite of Hadoop applications, and we can't really cover all of them in a single lesson, but we just want to give you a flavor so that you understand what kind of applications people use Hadoop for. So the basic types are usually databases and stores. So this is something like HBase. You have a lot of applications which let you query data that's sitting in HDFS or in HBase. Something like Hive and Impala. And then you have machine learning and graph processing kind of applications. And lots of options in these cases, as I said. So I'll go through and give some examples of each of these, and then the ones in green here are what we're going to talk about in either this module or upcoming modules. So some examples of database stores. Avro is a good one where it lets you use data structures within the context of Hadoop MapReduce jobs and process data in an efficient way. HBase is a distributed non-relational database, and we'll go into more detail about HBase in the upcoming slides. And then Cassandra is a distributed data management system, which is very efficient working with data in Hadoop. As I mentioned, once you have the data, there's a lot of querying and managing applications. Pig is a platform that lets you analyze data sets in HDFS, and it has its own high-level language that lets you do this easily. Hive lets you query and manage large data sets in HDFS or in HBase, and it has a SQL-like interface. Impala is another SQL-like interface, which high performance and low latency. This comes from the Cloudera stack. And Spark is a general processing engine that lets you do streaming, SQL, machine learning, graph processing. It's pretty versatile and also lets you do more complex workflows very easily. And there's a bunch of machine learning and graph processing options. I'm just giving you 3 here. Giraffe is an iterative graph processing engine that works using the Hadoop framework. Mahout has a rich suite of machine learning algorithms. Again, this can backend to you using Hadoop or Spark, and then Spark can obviously backend to Hadoop if needed for the storage space, the HDFS part of it. And Spark is a general processing engine, as I mentioned, for streaming, SQL, machine learning, and graph processing. So these are some of the applications. We took a quick overview. So in the next 3 videos, you'll learn about Pig, Hive, and HBase. And we'll do some interactive sessions. So get ready with your VM. And if you have any questions about setting up the Hadoop VM, go back to module 1 of this course and look at the lesson there for setting up the VM, because you're going to use it in the coming slides.